Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubhari from eGadgets for you, and in this video I will show you how to transfer your WhatsApp data from your Android phone to your iPhone. And now here I have the S23FE, which is an Android phone, and here I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, so now before anything else, what I need to show you over here is that in your Android phone or whatever Android phone you are using, you need to go over there and you need to install this app that is called my Move to iOS. So yeah, I agree to it, I hit continue, I agree to the terms and conditions. Don't say no, turn on locations. Okay, I have turned it on. Continue and connect via cable. So yes, I do have this braided USB type C to type C cable from my iPhone, or else I can do it continue with Wi-Fi. I have actually connected both the devices in the same Wi-Fi, so I'll do it continue with Wi-Fi. Connect this device and your iOS device to the same Wi-Fi network to get started. I have actually done that already. And now in your iPhone, while the setting up is being going on, set up for myself, and here you will see this option, transfer your apps and data. It says from iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, from Android, and here I will actually choose from Android, transfer from Android. Open Move to iOS from your Android phone. So yeah, devices on Wi-Fi, I hit continue over here, and in my Android phone it says devices on iPhone, connect via code. Yes, I have actually got a code over here, so I'm going ahead and giving the code here, and it's done. So now it's connecting, and now you see you get whole lot of options over here.
I don't have an answer for that.
I don't know how my Alexa got actually on. Anyways, I need the WhatsApp. Move chat to iOS, start getting the chats ready. It's preparing on my Android phone, as you can see over here, getting the chats ready. And here on my iPhone, you see on your Android device, select the items you want to transfer to this phone. So yeah, I have selected, and it's preparing already. 53%, 55%, 6% has been prepared over here. That's good. So let's wait for 100% to complete. And now in my Android phone it says almost done. You will be redirected to move to the iOS app to complete the transfer. I hit next over here, and yes, WhatsApp is selected over here, 1.3 GB. I hit continue. Keep this device turned on and connected to power until the transfer is complete. Estimating time to transfer, and if I transferring to iPhone, of course, and if I go to my iPhone, it says the same thing over here, about 4 minutes remaining. Okay, keep this iPhone turned on and connected to power. About it change to 5 minutes. Let's wait for it, man. Okay guys, it has been certainly longer than 4 minutes, and yeah, it says transfer complete. The items are transferred to your iPhone. Some items may be found in the Move to iOS folder in the Files app on your iPhone. That is good. And over here, let's see, what does it say? Transfer is complete. The items you have transferred from your Android device are now available on this iPhone. I hit continue and done over here. So that's it. And now let me set up this iPhone, and I will show you that all my backup has been restored in the WhatsApp. I'll show you how. And so guys, once the setup is done, you can see that the WhatsApp is actually by default over here, and it says as upload. Download required, view in app store, continue. No, turn on personalized ads. I don't love ads at all. Okay, WhatsApp, let's download it. Okay, now guys, once I have installed WhatsApp in this new iPhone 16 Pro Max, by the way, using the rinky cover, looks superb. And yes, so I open it, and it says choose how to verify. Retry on other device, you will get a code on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. You will get a code on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. SMS or voice call. Let me do SMS, it's much more easier that way. I have not yet transferred my SIM from this phone to this phone. Is that the reason I'm not getting a code or something like that? Maybe so. Let me do that and see. Okay guys, now I've actually inserted my SIM in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, I've got the WhatsApp code now. Oh yeah, so that was the thing that was happening. Yeah, automatically delete verification code. Yeah, delete after use. We don't need verification code to be set. Okay, move chats from Android. So I go ahead and do start. We need permission to restore your chats. You will not be able to import later if you skip this step. Let's get the permissions done. Photo library, of course, moving chats from Android. So you will see that the import has begun over here. Okay, it has finished now. It says chat history, move to iPhone. Next, like to address your contacts. How do you want to share contacts? Allow full access here, why not? So yeah, let me go ahead and give my name, sorry. And yeah, all my chats are restored. Simple as that. That is awesome, man. So yeah, hope so this video was helpful, and you also will follow this particular steps, and you can do so by moving, I mean to say, transferring your WhatsApp chats and everything from your Android phone to your iPhone. That will be it, guys, for this particular video. Please stay subscribed, turn on the notification bell. A lot of updates with this iPhone 16 Pro Max will be coming to my channel soon. So bye for now.